little learners, and welcome back to Storytime with Miss Crystal. Today, I'm gonna read Little Blue Truck. So we have Little Blue Truck. It is written by Alice Schertle and is illustrated by Jill McIlroy. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you've ever heard. The little blue truck came down the road, beep said blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye. The little blue truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink said the pig, and beep said blue. Cluck said chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma said goat, and blue said beep. Neigh said the horse, and quack said the duck. Beep said the friendly little blue truck. Honk! Yelled a dump truck coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels, well, they got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might, but now Blue and the dump were both stuck so tight. Help, 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 cried Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cows came running with the pigs and the sheep. All of Blue's friends came to help him. Up at the gallop ran the big blue horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chicks and the ducks, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at his strong muscles. Do you have strong muscles? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. They all helped each other. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa. Moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. That was a fun story. You gotta remember to help anybody that's in need. All right? Thank you guys for listening to my story, and I'll see you next time on Adventures with Miss Crystal. Bye!